How many times have you wondered how to restore skin glow? Nothing compares to a healthy and radiant skin, but numerous factors cause dull complexion, speed up aging, and make your skin look lifeless. Antioxidants are substances that provide a wide array of benefits for your health and well-being. Antioxidants are useful because they help prevent or stop cell damage caused by oxidants. 1. Berries. Berries are the richest source of antioxidants and an ideal food for radiant and youthful skin. One study found that blueberry, blackberry, and strawberries contain gallic acid, vanillic acid, ferulic, and gallic acid, quercetin, and other types of flavonols and flavonoids. Besides skin health, berries are also beneficial for your heart, cognitive functioning, diabetes management, weight control, and cancer prevention. 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranates contain punicalagin, which are potent antioxidants. This fruit combats inflammation from acne breakouts to clear out your complexion. Polyphenols found in pomegranate protect our cells from oxidative stress while stimulating collagen production. Just like berries, this fruit is an amazing source of vitamin C as well. 3. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a phytoalexin antioxidant with chemopreventative and therapeutic effects against numerous diseases and disorders. And it's also beneficial for your skin. Resveratrol exhibits protective effects against oxidative stress caused by UV radiation. As a result, it shows a tremendous potential in warding off skin disorders and slowing down the aging process. 4. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory effects that fight skin conditions such as psoriasis, and it can help eliminate acne. What most of us don't realize is that garlic also acts as an antioxidant due to a high level of compounds such as allancysteine, allicin, and aniline disulfide. Evidence shows that consumption of garlic can help neutralize free radicals, and it exhibits beneficial effects on the maximum proliferative capacity of fibroblasts for long-term, meaning it plays a role as an anti-aging and rejuvenating agent. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best sources of antioxidant lycopene and vitamin A, which is required for sebum production, and keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized. Watermelons help prevent cancer, improve heart health, and lower inflammation. The best way to eat is on its own, especially during hot summer days. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in carotenoids, camphorol, and quercetin, all of which are potent antioxidants. This vegetable also contains antioxidant glucoferrin, which protects the skin from consequences associated with UV radiation. If we bear in mind that the sun is responsible for 80% of wrinkles on your face, impairs collagen production, elasticity, and gives you dull complexion, then including broccoli is one of the most powerful foods for gorgeous skin. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is highly nutritious, containing fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, potassium, and other important nutrients to benefit your health. Above all, it is loaded with antioxidants such as polyphenols, flavonols, and catechins. One study found that regular consumption of dark chocolate protects skin from UV damage, while conventional chocolate doesn't induce those effects.